Hey y'all. Okay, I can't see my webcam. So let's see if it bops over here. And if not, I might just have to open up a new tab here. So this is what we'll do, y'all. Okay, so welcome. Hello. It is Wednesday, September 2nd, 2020. Okay, so here's what we are going to do for today. I'm going to walk y'all through what we're doing. Let me put on my little scenery. Here we go. Just feels weird without my beautiful scenery. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to walk you through what we're doing for class today. You are taking a little mini quiz, and then you're doing a little mini tic-tac-toe board. So it's up to you. I would actually suggest doing the tic-tac-toe board first, so that way you have a little more background knowledge before you do the quiz. So let me walk you through how to do that. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to click my period 2. And I'm going to walk you through what we're going to do. And then I'm also going to read the quiz out loud. So for my peeps that like to have the quiz read to them, hang out on this video and I will read it. Okay, so this is third week of school. I get to see y'all's cute faces next week. I'm so excited. Okay, so here we go. Wednesday, September 2nd, I'm going to click on this midweek quiz. So I'm going to start by reading this quiz first, and then I'll talk about the tic-tac-toe board after. So y'all, like I said, when I read this quiz to y'all, I have to type stuff in. So I'm just gonna kind of type, and I will just type in random answers, just being super clear that I am typing random answers. So class 2, awesome, put your first and last name. So for the first question, it says match the type of boundary with the landform. So you need to tell me, what does continental convergent make? What does divergent make? What does transform make? So you will literally click convergent boundary makes a fault. Does a convergent boundary make a mid-ocean ridge? This question requires one response per row. So what that means, y'all, is a fault is either a convergent boundary, a divergent boundary, a subduction zone, or a transform boundary. So I'm going to click transform boundary for all of them just so that I can move on. So mid-ocean ridge, is that created by a convergent, divergent, subduction, or transform? Mountain range, is that from a convergent, a divergent, a subduction zone, or a transform? A rift valley, is this created from a convergent boundary, a divergent boundary, a subduction zone, or a transform boundary? And then last, is a volcanic island or mountain created by a convergent, divergent, subduction, or transform? So like I said, y'all, I'm just checking transform for all so I can move on to the next section. So it says cancel. So y'all, what I just did, I don't want to do. So I want to scroll down and I want to hit next on the quiz. You don't want to hit next on Canvas. So I'm happy I made that mistake so I could model it. So I'm going to hit next here. Y'all, gosh, these ads, they drive me nuts. Okay, so I have to double click, sorry, on my Screencastify. Now, this is the same thing, but you're going to match the type of boundary with the location. So is the East African Rift Valley a convergent, divergent, subduction, or transform? And you can always peek back at the last one and kind of see what you put to help you. The Himalayan mountains, are they from convergent, divergent, subduction, or transform? Mid-Atlantic Ridge, convergent, divergent, subduction, or transform? I fell into a burning ring of fire, went down, 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 flames went higher. And it burns, 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 this ring of fire, this ring of fire. Y'all, I can't. I love Johnny Cash. Anytime I have a chance to sing me some Johnny Cash, you know I'm gonna. So funny story, my dad would always call me Johnny Cash because I always wear black. So he would always call me the woman in black because Johnny Cash is the man in black. So I love that. Love Johnny Cash. Okay, so San Andreas Fault, is this caused from convergent, divergent, subduction, or transform? And then scroll down, and I'm going to hit submit. If you want, send copies to yourself, y'all, because this can be like a little study guide to use for the quiz test on Friday. So if I hit send me a copy of my responses, it sends me my answers so I can review them. So if I get stuff wrong, I can go back and check. So I'm not going to submit, y'all. Whatever, I'll submit. Yay! And then you can view your score right away. I'm not going to view my score because it's going to be bad because I just picked transform for everything. So that's what you're going to do first or after. So it doesn't matter if you do the quiz first or the tic-tac-toe board. I would do the tic-tac-toe board first, honestly. So then what you're going to do is you're going to choose one square from each column. So y'all, I really don't care. Just pick 3. I don't care if they're random. Sorry, I don't want to touch my face. I don't care if they're random. Just pick any 3. So what y'all are going to do is you are going to click on 3 of the tic-tac-toe boxes. And if you click on it, you are going to get this right down here. I have to scroll down. Going to get this Safari montage link. So I'm going to click this and it will open up a Safari montage video in a new window. And like I said, y'all, you need to watch any 3. I don't care if you make a tic-tac-toe. I won't tell anybody. So you're going to watch each of these videos. And then what you're going to do is you are going to present your information that you learned in one of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways. So you're either going to do a Google slideshow, a Flipgrid, a Jamboard, a Google Drawing, or a Google Doc. And if you click on each one of these, it will open up a copy for you. So for example, if I click slideshow, I am going to hit make a copy. And then it will open up a slideshow that I made a little mini template for you. So you can tell me what you learned about tic-tac tectonics on this slideshow. And then y'all, I did the same thing with Flipgrid. So if you click that, it will bring you to the Flipgrid that you can talk about. If you click this Jamboard, it will bring you to a Jamboard that I made that you can share what you learned about. Y'all, this internet is so slow. Or Google Drawing, and then you have to hit make a copy, and I set up a Google Drawing for you that you can tell us what you learned. So y'all, if you watch 3 videos, I should have 3 sections. So 3 sections on the Google Drawing, 3 slides on the slideshow, 3 parts of your Flipgrid, 3 parts of your Google Doc, however you choose to present your information. And then the last but not least is this Google Doc. Y'all, it's literally a Google Doc that I just typed the question on the top of. So you're going to make a copy, and you're going to open it up, and then you're going to do that. So to be clear, you are going to pick one, either Google Slideshow to present, Flipgrid, Jamboard, Google Drawing, or Google Doc. And then these are the words that you need for full credit. So you need convection currents, plate boundaries, subduction zone. You need to talk about what landform is formed at each, and then convergent, divergent, transform boundaries. Submit your work here in Canvas. And I have this little mini video to show you how to submit your URL for Flipgrid, or your URL for your slideshow, or your URL for your Google Doc. Okay, y'all, I think that's it. Let me hit next. I can't remember if I did a finito all done slide. I did not. So I have this same one twice. Y'all, I was looking for this. I was wondering where it went. I knew I did it and I redid it again. Go figure. Okay, y'all. That's it. Avida Zen, Namaste, Sai Chen, hasta mañana, au revoir. Bye, y'all. Love each and every one of you, and you fill my buckets every day. Overflowing. Bye, y'all.